So, my dear friend, this is a topic of ACT that's very important. That's called circles. Okay, we're going to start this one. Just from your previous knowledge, I would like to know what is circle. I mean, this is everyone knows that, but in reality, I'm talking conceptually. How will you define circle?
The locus of a singular point.
Locus of a
singular point.
Okay, that's all.
Equidistant from a point. Like locus of all points equidistant from a point from a fixed
Locus
point.
of a point such that it always remains at an equal distance from a fixed point. Okay? So for example, A comma B. From A comma B, this xy is going to move in such a way, this xy is going to travel in such a way so that its distance, the distance of this point xy from AB will always remain constant. So the locus which will be obtained, that will be called circle. Is that okay, guys? Obviously, you can imagine. Can you imagine any other point? Can you imagine any other, imagine any other locus which can be obtained other than circle in a straight line? No, I don't think so. I mean, maybe you can feel for some distance, it can be ellipse, but no, it cannot be ellipse. The locus, if you calculate, it will come out to be circle only. From the definition itself, this x and y, they are the points which are going to travel. So distance from a fixed point, x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square. This is the distance. From the distance formula, this is the distance. It is always a constant. And let me put this constant as r. So this constant, it's called radius. That's how we get the equation of a circle, x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equal to r square. That's equation of circle. This is very important, equation of a circle. Okay, guys? That's how we move ahead and get to know that how we can actually put the equation in mathematical form. Now, I would like to tell this equation in other way also. My dear friend, you must have noticed an equation put like this. For example, I am taking an example like x square plus y square plus like 5x plus 7y, okay, equals to whatever 5. Is this the equation of a circle, guys?
You'll have to convert it to the equation of the circle.
How will you convert it?
Completing the square method. But
Completing the square method. So if I ask you what is going to be the center of this, you say that this is the equation of a circle. So what is going to be the center of the circle and what is going to be the radius of the circle? How to do it? Dhruv, any clue? How to do it? I mean, if the question comes in ACT, how will you do it? It's a very, and you get just 60 minutes to do 60 questions. It's like things have to be super quick.
Can you repeat it again?
Equation of a circle is given to you. This equation is given to you.
Okay.
I am asking you, what is the center of the circle? What is the radius of the circle?
Well, radius is just the square root of. No, you'd have to complete the square.
Square root of 5? No.
No, you'd have to. So you'd have to bring it to the x squared plus y squared form, and
How?
I think you can do that by completing the square. So you bring the terms x squared plus 5x and y squared plus 7y.
Mm-hmm.
I did this last year. I'm trying to remember, like where we bring it
Okay.
from this form.
Okay, yeah,
we have to
that's
do, like,
one way.
b over 2a or something like. We have to add like.
Perfect.
forgot-
Okay,
I've done
let
it
me tell
before,
you.
but-
Fine, let me tell you. X squared plus 5x. Let's put these terms together, and then
It's
y
half of the
squared
middle
plus
term.
yeah, something like that. Okay, we'll do something. Don't worry about it. Okay, equals to 5. So, my dear friend, how to do the completing square thing?
You have to take b over 2a squared. So.
We take, there is here a basically here is 1. Okay,
Yeah.
a is 1, so you don't have to bother. We always make the coefficient of x square or y square 1 before we move on. So either you take out, if it is like 2x square, so you take 2 common from the expression, then you proceed. Okay, here it's already 1, so you don't have. What you have to do, take the coefficient of x, half it. Okay, once you half it, then what you have to do?
Square.
Multiplied by the.
Square it. No.
Wait, don't you multiply it by 5? Oh, you already did. Okay.
Take the coefficient of x, half it, square it, one time add and one time subtract it. You know this?
Yeah,
Why
you
do
add
we
it
do
to
it?
the other side, right?
Why do we do it, guys? Why do we do
To
it?
create a perfect square so that you get because the center is x minus a plus x
Exactly.
squared. Yeah.
Exactly. So 5 by 2 whole square minus, okay, 5 by 2 whole square minus 5 by 2 whole square, okay, minus 5 by 2 whole square. And the same thing we have to do for y also. Y
Yeah.
square plus 7y plus 7 by 2 whole square minus 7 by 2 whole square equals to 5. Then what?
Then you have to add those on. You have to add the 7 over 2 squared and the 5 over 2 squared on both sides, and you can simplify the x squared plus 5x plus 5.
Okay, so basically now you can see that this thing and this thing, they are
Perfect.
perfect square. So I can write as
7 over 2.
what I can write?
X plus
X
5 over
plus
2, the quantity
x
squared.
plus 5 by 2 square plus
y plus 7 over 2, that quantity squared.
can you add and tell me the
84 over 2, so it's 42.
oh, 49 plus 25, guys? 74.
74.
74 plus
94 over 2.
94.
Oh, 52. 50.
My dear bro. Oh, that's okay. Fine. 94 by 4. So what is the center?
Oh, 27.
My dear friend, center I am not talking. What is the center of the
center.
circle?
Negative 5 over 2 and comma.
Negative 5 by 2 and negative.
7 over
7
2.
over 2.
And what is the radius?
Square root.
94 by 4.
Yeah.
Sorry, root of 94 by 4.
Yeah.
94 by 8. Root 94
Fine.
by
I got it. Root 94 by 4. Is that fine? But guys, just see how much time we have invested in doing this question. Do you think we need to put this much time if such question comes? Can we do it some other way? Is there some other faster way?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's that?
Wait, I've done this. We learned this last year in trig. Does it have to do with you just like factoring out the x and the y or something? Or no. Wait.
No, when you study another equation. I mean another form of equation, basically the equation remains same. Okay? My dear friend, I will tell you. Dhruv might be knowing it. No, sorry, our friend Yash might be knowing it. Another form of equation which is not taught in all the books. I will tell you, it will be given like this. X square, what is the equation, guys? X square plus y square another form of equation which is very important and which can give the instant result is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy
Ooh.
plus c equals to 0. This is also an equation of circle, guys. This is also equation of circle.
Oh,
This is got it?
Yeah.
This is also equation of circle. Not many books will talk. Many books, if you will see ACT books, SAT books, they won't talk about it. They only talk about converting the equation, converting this equation by using completing square in the standard form, and that's all. But it is a time-taking process. My dear friend, now if you get a question like this, then the center is minus half times the coefficient of x, half times the coefficient, negative times minus half times coefficient of x, and minus 1/2 times coefficient of y. Okay, so basically it is going to be minus g comma minus f. Are you getting, guys? And radius will be given as under root g square plus f square minus c. G square plus f square minus c. So basically, two coordinates of the center, you are squaring and adding and minus c and taking the under root. I will derive this one for you. Guys, just see this one. So basically, the center comes out to be, center here comes out to be minus g comma minus f. It's a different way of viewing a question. Understand that. It's a very easy, very quick, very slowly will be, understand each and every concept. My dear friend, you have a center. In this, we give the center as minus g comma minus f. If this is the center, and a point I am taking x comma y, then what is going to be the standard equation of a circle? X minus g whole square. Got it, guys? X minus g whole square plus y minus f whole square equals to r square. Is that okay? So if we expand it, what do we get? Minus becomes plus. It becomes plus. So basically, so it is x plus g whole square plus y plus f square. So I'm directly writing x square plus g square plus 2xg plus y square plus f square plus 2yf equals to r square. Is that okay, guys? If I write properly, then what do I get? X square plus, properly means in a standard form which we study, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy 2fy plus g square plus f square, g square plus f square. Anything is remaining?
Sir, I have to go.
Minus r square. Okay, guys. So just I'm finishing this derivation. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus g square plus f square minus r square. You can see this g square plus f square minus r square. This is a constant term, which I have denoted by c. If you can see here, which I have denoted by c. So what I have to do, I will just simply write, if I just replace this g square plus f square minus r square by c. So from here we get r equal to root over g square plus f square minus c. And center, you can see that what we are getting, negative times minus half times coefficient of x minus half times coefficient of y, which is minus g comma minus f. Is that okay? We'll do just one question and that's all. One very quick question. It's in fact oral question. I have just written the question for you guys, and here it is like this. The equation of a circle is given as 3x square 3y square minus 12x plus 18y equal to 69. So the equation of circle, I'm just putting 3x square plus 3y square minus 12x plus 18y equal to 69. Can you please tell me the center of the circle and radius of the circle, guys, now? Quick. Using this one. Can you please do them quickly?
And the radius is
Center you are saying is?
6 comma negative 9.
My dear friend, it is in the form of x square plus y square plus 2gx. Do you see x square plus y square form? It is 3x square plus 3y. So first of all, this is the thing which everyone does mistakes. We have to divide the whole equation by 3. So this is going to be basically, it will come out to be x square plus y square
2x comma 3 negative 3x.
Oh yeah, just a minute.
3.
Plus 6y equal to 23.
Yeah.
So the center of the circle is going to be minus half times coefficient of x. So minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 multiplied by minus 4, that's going to be 2.
2.
Negative half times coefficient of y is negative 3.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the center. And what about the radius of the circle? Tell me the radius of the circle.
Formula g squared plus f squared minus c.
Yeah. 2
Either I do g square or I do minus g square, it's okay. Either I do f square or I do minus f square, it's okay. Okay, that's completely okay.
2 square plus 3 square.
2 square plus 3 square, whichever way I want to, because negative square of a negative is also positive only.
Positive, yeah.
So you don't have to go that, oh, this is not g, this is minus g or writing. It's okay.
But that'll come as a negative root. Imagine.
Yeah.
That means it's not possible. Is it like that? G square plus y square minus c. Do you think it's possible or not?
not possible.
My dear friend.
I mean, it's possible on a graph, but yeah.
I mean, that's what I wanted to see. Question. Look at our question. This is, I deliberately put it like this. You see our equation x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. So I have to take this 69 on the left hand side, guys. It is not on the right hand side. I have to take it on the left hand side. Are you getting?
Yes.
That plus c is on the left hand side. So basically, now I have to take it on the left hand side, so it will become minus 23 equal to 0. So c is basically minus 23. Are you getting? X square plus y square plus 2j plus 2y plus. So this is not. So
It will be
I mean,
plus 23.
exactly. So it will come out to be.
36 under root 36.
So you get
root 6. So 6.
Exactly. So now this is a quite faster way to do question, guys. I mean, this is not how that you have to, whenever equation is given like this, you have to convert into using a perfect completing square method. You will be converting, and then you will be doing. There's no point to do it, and that's all. And we will be doing some more questions on this in the next class. Okay. Have a good time. Bye bye.